Hey guys, today I'm gonna talk about the brightness and contrast adjustment layer in Photoshop. So, for that, open your photograph in the Photoshop and let's dive in. So, with the photograph you wanna edit, go to the filter icon here, like the adjustment layer, and select brightness and contrast. So first of all, let's see in the we go to Windows and select histogram. You can see this image is quite towards underexposed. This is having too much of black in it rather than being a good exposed one. So go to now brightness contrast adjustment layer, and here in this properties you can easily add brightness and contrast according to your requirement and choice, like this to the photograph. So you can see, if we again switch to the histogram, you can see that this is now different. The shade is now changing. It is going towards the bright, but not too much, but still. If I use legacy, if I completely go to the brightness up, it gives a vintage kind of look or a Vincent kind of look. So, and contrast is just burning a dot. And if without legacy we increase the brightness, you can see what's the difference with use and without use of legacy. So with the contrast all up and bringing more darkness to the photograph, you can see it's kind of creating a mood of sunset, dim lighting, and also the soft shadows. Now I'm again going to brightness contrast layer over here with a second for a second edit with use legacy. I'm just increasing the brightness and kind of contrast, but with use legacy it's too much sharp for it. I want a soft light but yet brighter colors. So this is what we see. So this way you can just adjust your exposures or the amount of highlights and shadows in the photograph using brightness contrast adjustments and just change the look. So I hope you like the content, and if that so, like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video update.